friends, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title of this video, this is a makeup look to make you feel like a badass, or if you feel like a badass on the inside and you want everyone else to know, it does that too. It just lets the world know how you feel. I feel like red lipstick is really something that does that for me. It makes me feel powerful if I'm not feeling my best, or if I feel really powerful, it expresses that, which I love. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then keep on watching. I'm gonna start off with SPF because all bad bitches wear SPF, so. For primer, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Tone Adjusting Primer. 1 squirt of that. It feels good to be able to look in the mirror again while I'm filming. If you didn't see my last video, I did the no mirror makeup challenge, and that was a struggle. For foundation, I'm gonna use the Dream Radiant Liquid by Maybelline and the e.l.f. Acne Fighting Foundation, because this one, I have it in the color Buff, and then I have this one in the color Alabaster, so this one is like a little too light for me, and this one's like a little too dark for me, so it balances out. Oh no, I just got that all in my hair. Okay, so next we're gonna do the rest of my cream products and then powder my face. So I'm gonna do a red lipstick because I feel like nothing says I'm a bad bitch more than some red lipstick. So for blush, I'm gonna go with a more red toned blush. I have this Undone Beauty blush in the color Poppy. And then I'm gonna do my, ooh, not that. I'm gonna do my cream contour from the Mighty Contour, so we're gonna do that first. I'm gonna use this bronzing brush from Eco Tools. Great, there's a foundation in my hair. Love that for me. Okay, moving on. Blush. I'm gonna use this Real Techniques stippling brush. I'm actually just gonna tap it off in the back of my hand a little bit first because I don't want there to be too much. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with powder. I'm gonna use my number 7 translucent powder, and I'm gonna apply it with a sponge. Okay, moving on to eyes, I'm gonna go in with my Milani eyeshadow primer. So I'm gonna go with a more neutral toned eye look because, like I said, I do want to do a bold red lip. So I'm gonna go in with my Kylie Cosmetics The Bronze palette, and I'm gonna use this color Topaz right here for my crease. Okay, so that's blended out onto my lid, and then I'm going to take this little bit darker color here, Bronzite, and I'm just going to concentrate that more in the outer V. My left eye always waters when I'm trying to blend eyeshadow in the outer crease. It makes it so hard because then if like I get a teardrop and like water gets up there, then it starts like washing away the pigment. So frustrating. I wish my eyes would stop watering while I'm trying to do my makeup. Okay, I think that looks pretty even, so I'm gonna stop before my eye starts profusely watering and ruining everything I've done. And for the lid now, I want to do a shimmer. I'm gonna swatch it a couple different colors on the back of my hand because I'm not sure which I want to do. All right, these are my options. I'm thinking, all right, this one from the Rare Beauty palette is too gold. And this one's too red. These two are from the Rare Beauty palette. So I think I'm either gonna go with Mr. Tutorials or Underground from the Nikki Beauty Bay palette. I think I'm gonna do Underground because that's the most cool toned. That's what I'm gonna do. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that with my finger. Yeah, that was a good choice. I really love this color. And then for my inner corner highlight, I'm gonna use this shade All In, which is like the sparkly fun one because it kind of has like a little bit of a rainbow like champagne-y reflect in it, and I think that would be kind of fun. When they were creating this palette, they did not mess around. That is foiled and sparkly. Goodness gracious. So for my under eye, I'm gonna go back into this Kylie the Bronze palette, and I'm gonna start with the darker bronzite shade on the outer portion of my lower lash line, and then on the inner portion, I'm gonna go back to Topaz, which is the lighter color that I used. Alrighty, I'm really loving this eye look. I feel like it's definitely doing the job of reflecting that I feel like a badass bitch and also making me feel like more of one because I'm like, oh wow, like she's cool. I like her. For mascara, I'm gonna use the Origins Ginseng Mascara. I forgot to explain what I was doing here, but I'm just using the Morphe 2 brow gel to define my brows a little bit more. Okay, so now it's time for lips. I'm really excited for this part. I have this Revlon Matte Ultra HD lip color, and this is in the shade Forever Yours. And I have this LA Girl Ultimate Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Relentless Red. So we're gonna go ahead and line my lips first. I feel like my lip liner came out better when I couldn't see, and then no mirror makeup challenge if we're being honest. I don't know why, but lip liner is the hardest makeup step for me, like in the whole routine. What's the hardest part for you guys? Okay, what the heck? This is not red. Interesting, Revlon. Wait, I have another one of these in a different shade of red. So I'm gonna see if that one's more the color I'm looking for. This is in the shade HD Romance. So let's see. Okay, HD Romance is the color I was looking for. I don't know why this is in the color Forever Yours, but in the bottle, doesn't this one look like it's gonna be way more red than this one? And this one's literally pink. So that's misleading, but anyway. Okay. So let me wipe this off before I get it all over myself. This is like the red lip soft glam eye look of my dreams. I just feel like, I don't know about you, but this just makes me feel so confident and just so ready to take on the world. I'm just gonna add a little bit of bronzer from this Basic Moment palette. This is by Zoeva. I'm just gonna take a little bit of the contour bronzer shade and add a little bit right in the back pocket. And for a highlight, I'm also just gonna use the color that's in here. I'm gonna use this angled Morphe brush. I think I've said this before, but I literally have no idea what this Morphe brush is for. Like, does anyone know? Literally, who is she? Who is she? Alright, time for setting spray. And I'm using the Milani Make It Last setting spray. So that concludes this video. What do you guys think? I'm obsessed with how this came out. I love the shimmers in that Nikkie Tutorials Beauty Bay palette that I used for the shimmer shadows on my eyes. Just in love. This red, I've had this color for a while. When I bought this one, like I said, I thought this was gonna be red. It's just simply pink. But I really like the formula of this because it's really creamy. So like it says matte, but it never dries down to being like drying on your lips. Like it feels really hydrating the whole time you're wearing it. And it has a nice amount of staying power for being something that doesn't really dry down all the way. Yeah, so it feels really nice on the lips, good for a night out. But you will have to bring it to touch up because it's not gonna last all night. Here's the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!